The screening is a set of questions. It's standardized questions, and at the moment there is a regimen that's built in. If you answer 5 questions and you have more than 2 questions right, you qualify for a test. So it's questions, and it is whether you then qualify for a test and then you go on to testing. The explanation that I've given, which is that our screening and testing strategy has been about linking it to known cases. Therefore, we have fewer people that we screen and a much higher yield of tests, because we're not likely to go to people that has no symptoms. So therefore, I've known in the media and people have analyzed this, and it's a whole story about why the screenings are so low in the Western Cape. But it is because it is focused, and it's a much higher percentage of cases we find for testing. So that is the primary reason of the difference between our figures and other figures. I've made the point earlier in the week, I cannot speak for colleagues in other provinces. I cannot speak for how they do the screening and the numbers that they get. I can speak for what we do in this province, and I can confirm, as the Premier said, that we've screened we have screened 227,000 people, 890 to date. That's 250,000 people that we screened. And out of that screening, we've generated 7,886 tests, which is about a quarter of the total tests that we've done in this province.